This is the Stage Air Soundbar by Creative. Is this soundbar worth $50? Is this sound quality good enough? Hey guys, my name is Brody and we'll be taking a look at the Stage Air Soundbar by Creative. And we'll find out, is it really worth it? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. The soundbar can be used with pretty much everything: a cell phone, tablet, laptop or computer, or even a TV. You get the picture. It has two ways that it can be connected to, either through Bluetooth, which gives you 6 hours of playtime, or directly wired with a 3.5mm aux cable. Now, I did notice a couple of things that I would change, and they are both small little things, but hey, I look for these small little things on everything that I review. The first one that I noticed is when you want to use the aux port, you have to switch from the Bluetooth to the aux on the speaker by hitting the power button on the right side of the speaker. I'd rather see if you plug the cable into the speaker that it just recognizes that you plugged into the cable, and then it just switches automatically over to the aux port. Number two is when powering on the speaker, I do not hear anything letting me know how much battery life I have left. That is something I really like so that I have an idea of how long I can use it. Again, small things, but both pretty convenient to me. Let's talk about the design. The speaker is pretty slick and it looks like a typical soundbar. It has a nice glossy finish to it, which starts from the top, goes around to the back to the bottom of the speaker. The soundbar is 2.7 inches in height, 1 feet 4 inches for the width, and 3 inches in depth, and weighing just over 1.5 pounds. On the right side of the speaker, you have the controllers just like any typical Bluetooth speaker. Very simple to use with the play, pause, or the next track, previous track, volume up, down, etc. On the back of the speaker, you have a USB port to use if you have music on a USB drive. Then you have the aux port, and next to that you have the micro USB port. Now, if they do make another version of this soundbar, I'd like to see them switch from the micro USB to the USB Type-C cable. Probably just to be able to charge the speaker a little bit faster compared to the micro USB. The soundbar has 2 drivers installed, which each give out a power output of 5 watts, and the total system peak power is 20 watts. The speaker does not come with a subwoofer, but it does have an oversized passive radiator in the middle of the speaker that produces that bass sound, and honestly, it's pretty impressive on how much bass it gives off. The bass is not too overpowering, which is kind of a plus to me because some bass can just ruin the sound quality to me. It's just enough for you to hear it and also feel it on your computer table as well. I've tested the speaker audio quality with numerous of ways. I've watched some of my favorite YouTubers.
What if I told you that you can get closer to a DSLR for way less?
I also watched a couple of movies, which was really impressive. I was actually pretty shocked on the audio quality from movies and TV series. And obviously music if I ever wanted to use it as a Bluetooth speaker around the house. So the big question, should you buy this soundbar? If you're looking for an incredible soundbar for your computer, TV, or just around the house for not a lot of money, then this soundbar is for you. I think it has the best value that I've seen for a soundbar for this size. Sure, it might not come with a subwoofer like some other soundbars, but again, this soundbar is not being used like typical soundbars that are underneath the TV. And again, this might be missing some of those little things I've mentioned earlier in this video, but altogether, I definitely give this soundbar a thumbs up. Again, guys, my name is Brody, and if you did like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. And if you like tech just like me, definitely hit that subscribe button as well. And again, thank you for Creative for sending me this soundbar. I really appreciate it. And like always, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.